Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you cannot shrink a volume beyond the point in Windows. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click Advanced System Settings. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Check No Paging File, click Set. Type Recovery in Windows search bar, click Recovery. Check Disable System Protection. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.